Welcome to KLiC C++ programming. C++ is a free-form programming language. It is widely used by programmers or developers in the application domain. It is helpful in many desktop applications, servers that is, e-commerce, web search, SQL, and in video games. You will learn this course on MKCL's e-learning and self-learning platform called ERA, E-Learning Revolution for All. In this course, you will learn about grad function prototypes, classes in C++ and free stores, miscellaneous class issue, data structures through C++, input-output in C++, advanced features and templates, and many more. Outputs. Society Management System, Student Management System, Event Management System, Tic-Tac-Toe and Hangman Game. You will learn this in just 2 months. The course is available all over India in English. This course is recognized by Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, YCMOU. YCMOU mark sheet will be issued after the successful completion of Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. MKCL provides a certificate to the KLiC learners after their successful course completion. Career opportunities. After completing this course, the student will be able to perform the following roles successfully: game programmer, software engineer, data structurer, browser developer, operating systems developer, application programmer. So, let's gear up and join now, KLiC C++. To get more information, visit www.mkcl.org/join or contact MKCL's nearest MS-CIT or KLiC center.